Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Typeform with Zapier for AI survey insights, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Typeform with Zapier for AI survey insights, first, ensure you have accounts for both Typeform and Zapier. Log in to your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating your integration. In the Trigger App search bar, type and select Typeform. Choose the new entry trigger event from the options provided. Connect your Typeform account by clicking on Sign in to Typeform. Authorize Zapier to access your Typeform data. After connecting, select the specific Typeform you want to use for this integration. Test the connection to ensure Zapier can pull in data from your Typeform. Next, click on Continue to set up the action step. In the Action App search bar, type and select the service where you want to send the data, like Google Sheets or an AI tool. Choose the appropriate action event based on what you want to achieve. Connect your chosen app account by clicking on Sign in and authorizing access. Map the fields from your Typeform data to the fields in your chosen app. Double-check that all required information is correctly mapped. Once satisfied, click on Continue to proceed. Test the action by sending a sample to your chosen app. Review the results of the test to ensure everything is working as expected. If the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your integration. You have now connected Typeform with Zapier for AI survey insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.